criminals in their own right. Okay? I've been documenting since day one, Robert M. DiBella. I've been documenting since day one, Lisa Herman Esq of Fenterman LLP. I'm over it. You almost killed me, Robert M. DiBella. You almost killed me, Lisa Herman Fenterman LLP.
Nothing to do with your case. This just you're trying to get your problem.
You know what, Flores? Look, you're a good guy, right? You're not a civil rights attorney, okay?
I get that.
Okay, all right. So at this point, I've said a lot, okay? I'm saying names, right? Okay, this is the first time that I'm saying these names on police body cams. This is going to be seen. I can make this go public. I can walk out of here right now and make it go public. Okay? But I'm doing this right with my civil rights attorneys. They got a real federal civil rights case coming their way. I'm not playing with you, Robert M. DiBella. You almost killed me. You almost killed me. I almost died. In December of 2022, I was in a coma for 7 days because of this bum, Robert M. DiBella. Because of this bum, Lisa Herman. Because of this bum, Joseph A. Kelly. I'm sick of it. Okay? The abuse of you people. The stress that I've been enduring because of you. How dare you? How dare you?
All right, take a break.
I'm done with this now. I want my property today so that I can eat. Now, in regard to eating, I was starving for months and months on end prior to the filing of this bogus Article 81 proceeding, and throughout this Article 81 proceeding, October 2022, November 2022, December of 2022. At the time, I was under no government assistance, such as SNAP benefits.
I got fucking food. You'll see, it's night and day with me when I finally eat. Oh my god. Oh shit, I fucking eat. Mental health? Not fucking food! Fucking idiot. But I could go into a fucking coma. For anyone who doesn't know what it's like to starve, to physically, literally fucking starve. You don't know shit. I'm bitching moaning about your bullshit. You don't know squat.
Within any court of the United States judicial system, a citizen of any state and every state has the right to present evidence, has the right to make a statement, has the right to call a witness or witnesses. Judge Robert M. DiBella of the Westchester County Supreme Court System, 9th District of New York, Westchester County, has given me no opportunity to exercise any of these listed rights dating back to hearings October of 2022 up until a hearing in August of 2023.
Joe Kelly.
Joe Kelly.
Yes, who's this?
Mr. Gordon. In all of these hearings, right, dating back to October of 2022, have I, Mr. Michael F. Gordon, had any opportunity to make a statement before the court? I know it's a tough question, Joe. You know, crack open your bar exam. Go study. Yes or no?
You were
you appeared by video conference?
Joe, Joe, I'm not playing this with you. Answer the question. Have I, Mr. Michael F. Gordon, been given the opportunity to make a statement in any... No. What's the answer now? What? Hold on. What's the answer, Joe?
No, you have not.
There you go. Have I, Mr. Michael F. Gordon, been allowed the right to call a witness in all of these hearings dating back to or from October 2022?
Not yet.
Joe, I want yes or what? Yes or no, man?
The answer is no.
There you go! Easy enough.
Right. My name is Mr. Michael Gordon, and this is
Officer Flores.
badge number
65.
Pelham Police Department.
Police Department.
Okay. And just this guy's awesome too, Magnata.
Officer Magnata, badge number 89.
Pelham Police Department. You guys are awesome. Anyway, so doing this again, Flores.
Okay.
All right.
What's going on?
So,
But like I just previously stated, I have been documenting since day one Robert M. DiBella, I have been documenting since day one Lisa Herman Esquire of Abrams Fensterman LLP in White Plains, New York. This next clip is part of a conversation between myself and Todd Fishlin Esquire of Mount Kisco, New York. Todd Fishlin Esquire, appointed by Judge Robert M. DiBella as court evaluator. Following this conversation, the very next day, Todd Fishlin Esquire got on the stand in White Plains, New York, and lied.
I'll ask you a few questions. Since October 2022, right, when this whole thing began, right, during any of these hearings, all of them put together, any of them, have I been given any opportunity to make a statement before the court? That's not what I'm saying, Todd. In the court, right, in any, all right, let me clarify the question. In any hearing before the judge, right, nonsense. Yeah. No, the answer is no. The answer is no. There you go. I'm exhausted from this, Todd. Exhausted. Exhausted from you people. Okay, I'm bringing a case at you.
Yolanda told me from the jump, she told me she agrees that I should bring a federal civil rights case against the Westchester County Supreme Court System, 9th District of New York. And so, that is exactly what I'm doing. How dare you fucking people!
Is he mad at me for some reason?
I'm mad at this entire situation and you, actually. This is a joke.
Okay.
Yeah. Thoughts, feelings.
My thoughts and feelings on that? I don't think it's a joke at all.
No.
I think it's incredibly serious.
Yeah, you're right. When someone takes away my rights
That's correct.
as a citizen.
Yep,
Yeah, you agree with this?
I do.
My civil rights, correct?
Correct.
You agree with me?
I agree with you with everything you said so far, yep.
You agree with me for months now, you've told me.
Yes, it's correct.
Thank you. Stated in court, on record, with her counsel, Lisa Herman Esquire, Fenterman LLP, that she would be wiring, sending dollars. Have I requested that from you how many times in an email?
Yep.
Multiple. Could you say multiple is a fair answer?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay. I want my money. No, keep writing. This is vital, actually. Linda Redlisky Esquire of Rafferty and Redlisky, ordered to be mailed and delivered to her office in Pelham, New York, 10803, Suite 302. I expect to be handed as soon as it arrives. Let's be real.
It's yours.
Yeah, because it's mine.
Yeah, it's yours.
As soon as it's delivered, that doesn't mean call Joe, call Lisa, call this one, call the guy mopping the floor. You call me.
You got it.
Number 4, Joe. Did I email you about how many missed appointments with Social Security?
Yeah,
Several.
It's a shit show.
It's a shit show. On whose part?
Not on your part.
Not on my part. Good answer. And whose
Not
part?
on your part. This whole fucking thing's part?
Okay, whose part? We've said some names. Would you say on Robert M. DiBella's part?
The court's part?
The court's part, but who's the court?
The imposition that the court has put on everybody, on you,
Joe,
is
don't.
resulting in you not getting your mail.
Refract that. Fuck everybody. Fuck all of you. What about me? What about me? What about my civil rights being broken, tampered with for months and months and months on end? My bank account being closed out of nowhere, checking and savings gone out of nowhere, which fucked things up for quite some time. For sure. Right. I couldn't, multiple things. Right. My accounts were closed. My therapy, my account with BetterHelp closed, gone, out of the blue. I had an appointment that day, Joe. Yeah. What else? Multiple accounts closed. Everything attached to those accounts gone. Yeah. What else has gone on that you're aware of? It hurts your eyes. I've had back pain from this. Terrible back pain. Oh, neck pain. Neck pain. I have it documented. Paperwork from physicians. Medical licensed physicians. Yeah. Terribly fucking painful. Here in Pelham. Surprise. New Rochelle, New York City. Starving, dying, thirsty on the street. Well, Robert M. DiBella sits on his ass. Lisa Herman, same. Joseph A. Kelly, same. Who's been profiting off this whole time? One name.
Lisa Herman.
Lisa Herman Esq. Good answer. That's the answer, Joe. Yeah. It's a fucking loan, Lisa. Not fucking loan. Lisa Herman, Esquire, Benjamin LLP, every fucking filthy penny you pocket off of me, it's a loan. It's a loan.
This next clip is a conversation and interaction with Robert Rafferty Esquire of Rafferty and Redlisky of Pelham, New York. Robert Rafferty Esquire is the husband of Linda Redlisky Esquire, whom was appointed by Judge Robert M. DiBella as my temporary guardian. The Wasteland People.
Hello, Robert. Is Linda here? I have a letter for Linda.
She's not here.
Do you know when she'll be back?
No. Can I help you?
I need this hand delivered to Linda.
She's not here.
Do you know when I can
Take
do
it?
No. When can I give it to her? That's Robert Rafferty for you.
What's up?
Okay, go ahead.
All right, hold on.
How you doing?
Good to see you. And you do this. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Okay. So we're all here again. You're awesome. You're awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, my name is Mr. Michael F. Gordon, Linda Redlisky, Esquire, of Rafferty and Redlisky in Pelham, New York, 10803. Good so far? Makes sense?
Yep.
Good. Linda Redlisky is currently withholding property of mine, Mr. Michael F. Gordon.
Understood.
Okay? So, that said, also, Linda Redlisky, Esquire, of Rafferty and Redlisky in Pelham, New York, 10803, also has a check out to me, Mr. Michael F. Gordon.
Who is she to you?
Better at this juncture.
Okay.
Linda Redlisky, Esquire, was appointed by the Westchester County Supreme Court System, 9th District of New York, by Judge Robert M. DiBella.
Okay.
Okay. Linda Redlisky was appointed as a temporary guardian in January of 2023.
Guardian for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is absurd, Robert M. DiBella. Which is absurd, Lisa Herman Esquire of Fencerman LLP. Which is absurd, Joseph A. Kelly Esquire. I feel we're all quite aware of this. Linda's aware of this absurdity of Robert M. DiBella's, of the Westchester County Supreme Court System, 9th District of New York, as is Joseph A. Kelly Esquire. First name, Linda, Linda.
Okay.
Last name, Redlisky, Redlisky. Say it spelled Redlisky? Relatively. Look her up.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, Esquire. On that note, I would like to take this opportunity to end this video in documentation with a few certain and key points. Numeral uno. I am grateful. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for my life, for all of my loved ones, the most precious and beautiful people that are in my life. I am blessed that God ordained me to come out of a coma that I was in for 7 days, to be able to walk and speak and love as I do. I am blessed and I am grateful. In addition, I will not, cannot allow this corruption and abuse to go on anywhere. Specifically, Westchester County, New York, within the Westchester County Supreme Court System, 9th District of New York. These individuals that have been named are corrupt, are abusive, and I'm here to make a point for now. Robert M. DiBella of the Westchester County Supreme Court System, White Plains, New York, has no business delegating, making any judgment whatsoever. Thus, we bring litigation at you, Robert M. DiBella, at you, Lisa Herman Esq. of Abrams Fencerman LLP, White Plains, New York. At you, Todd Fishlin Esq. of Fishlin and Fishlin, Mount Kisco, New York. I almost died. Subsequently, I've grown a lot, learned a lot. Even after all that, Robert M. DiBella closing my Chase checking and savings account, ensuing chaos in my life, having to go back to White Plains, New York, Westchester County Supreme Court, 9th District, to have to fucking look at you people. See my mother? My mother has a good heart. My mother means well. And people like Lisa Herman Esq. of Abrams Fencerman LLP take advantage of people like my mother. And it don't fly, Lisa Herman Esq. Don't fly whatsoever. And that of you, Robert M. DiBella. And that of you, Todd Fishlin Esq. And that of you, Joe Accetta. And all that are involved with the lunacy, criminality, corruption, and abuse that exists in the Westchester County Supreme Court system, 9th District of New York, White Plains, New York. I'd also like to take this opportunity to mention someone whom I have yet to meet. Somewhere along the line, I learned I'd been through something very similar with Robert M. DiBella of the Westchester County Supreme Court system, 9th District. Elizabeth Harding Weinstein. When I found out that I wasn't the only one, it was relief, in a way. It also, solidifies that this corruption is through and through the Westchester County Supreme Court system, 9th District. Elizabeth Harding Weinstein, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're feeling well. And please know that you too are not alone in this. And we seek justice for our pains, our hurts, the abuse, corruption, and criminality, that of Robert M. DiBella of the Westchester County Supreme Court, 9th District. God bless you, Elizabeth. And on that note, this most beautiful and lovely symphony, God bless.